When a mistake happens, and if it amounts to medical negligence, meaning the professional has fallen below the standard of care that is to be expected from that type of professional in Canada at the time, and if injury has occurred as a result, the patient has the right to make a claim for compensation.
Why it's so difficult to prove medical negligence is because, well, one, we generally have a very good healthcare system. I will say that. This is a very small practice area. There's not many lawyers in Ontario that do it, but the challenging part is that you're up against this massive institution that's defending the doctors, that has endless resources, and to prove the cases, you have to have the experts to back you up.
It involves understanding an area of medicine in a fairly intricate way. It involves being able to discuss that area with various medical specialists. It involves being able to advance a claim within the rules of the legal system. Putting all that together, it requires a fair bit of expertise. And generally speaking, it takes lawyers a fairly long time to develop that expertise. We have that expertise, and we're very good at it.
I think when choosing a lawyer, and in particular a medical malpractice lawyer, you can't choose a lawyer that, dabbles in this kind of work. Neil has been doing this kind of work for decades, and there's really no substitute for that because it's really unlike any other type of litigation. We here at Howie, Sachs & Henry, we specialize in medical negligence cases. You need to find a firm that specializes in that type of law and speak to a lawyer, have them review your medical records. Oftentimes people's instincts are correct that, if they felt like something wasn't done right, sometimes it wasn't and they need to get it looked into. You need to speak to a professional about that. We can really give that client guidance and say, well, we really think you have a case here and you should pursue this.